Hey guys, what's going on? Don't ask me why I'm on the floor. I just thought it'd be a bit of a difference for an intro to a video. So yeah, I'm just gonna get up. Okay. So guys, all I wanted to say in this video, just a bit of an update as to what's going on. That's all I'm doing. Just a bit of an update. Now, for those of you who are interested, it's a bit of an update about the Amazon Seller Excellence course, about the rebranding, and about a really, really cool idea that myself and I guess a couple of students came up with. It was more of an idea that I had, but I went over it with them and thought it was a really good idea. So, first of all, rebranding of Amazon Seller Excellence. It's not going to be called Amazon Seller Excellence. I'm working on the 3.0 update, and that is. I did a little story post of it on my Instagram story. By the way, if you aren't following me on Instagram, do so. You've got extra content from me. It's going to be down below, the link for that. And if you have Instagram, follow me. If not, make an Instagram account and then follow me. But yeah, it's going to be rebranded. And I talked a little bit about this. It's not going to be Amazon Seller Excellence. It's going to be Ecom Excellence. And the reason for that is because it's going to, the whole goal of it is going to go on a broader spectrum. I don't want it to just be predominantly Amazon. Right now it is, obviously, because I'm all about Amazon, but later on down the track, I'm talking about, years down the track, I would rather rebrand it now to Ecom Excellence. So that's the first update. The second update is for the students in the Amazon Seller Excellence course, soon to be Ecom Excellence. But it's going to be an update about the success from the students. Now I'm creating a thing called the 10K Club, and it's going to be a goal, and it's going to be a sort of monumental sort of goal that I want all my students to hit, and it's for them for reaching 10K in sales. So basically how it's going to work is any of my students who hit 10K in sales on their Amazon account, on their through sales, it doesn't have to be 10K per month, it just has to be 10K in sales. I'm in the midst of creating a 10K Club shirt for the brand, and I'll send them out a free shirt so they can rep it, so they can it's like a little goal that they've hit, and to entice more people to buy one. Now, just so you guys know, you haven't heard it from me, but one of my most successful students, Albaz, he has currently hit the well, not currently, it's happened a little bit ago, but he hit the 10K mark on his sales. So I'm going to be sending him a few shirts, because he said he had a few people helping him out with his photos and whatnot for his products. So I'm going to be sending him some shirts, and you didn't hear it from me, but we've got a follow-up interview as well, which we're doing. So it's going to show you how he's going with it, how he's overcoming any obstacles that he's got, and he just talking a bit about his 10K sort of monument that we hit. So I want you guys to be in this 10K club as well. I want you guys to kill it on Amazon. And I'm going to be bringing out more updates. You're going to be hearing a lot more about where this course is going, because there's some exciting updates for it. So, guys, otherwise, if you didn't know, this flash sale is still on, but we only have 5 spots left. 5 spots left of that flash sale. So this is just a bit of an update as to what's going on. But apart from that, guys, I want you guys to get in as quickly as you can. And I want you guys to be a part of this 10K club, because it's something special, something we can celebrate together, and it's something that can entice people and motivate them to do the same. So apart from that, guys, that's all I have for you today. I know it was a short video. I know some of you might think that it's useless, but it's these videos that I need to do. It's these videos that I need to do the update you guys on what's been going on. So I hope you guys are killing. I hope you guys are having a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.